You guys, this is Kristen going to sing a song called the Payphone. Paige isn't here today. Sorry to say she's been sick for the last while.
And it's very serious. Like, I can't believe. Is it still going?
Yes, it's still going.
Still going? Oh.
Okay, so, that's my cousin. Her name's Maya.
Huh. So,
We're not allowed to show our faces.
hey, can I show you a sketch that I made, though? I felt really bored, so I just can't. Okay, never mind. You're not allowed to show our faces.
Okay, so, Pay,
Hey, we're going to
phone,
sing payphone for you.
karaoke. With lyrics.
Yeah, but we got to turn it down, okay?
Why?
Because then, literally, all they're here, like, okay, are we getting ready?
Ready?
Okay.
Okay, this is a clean version, no rap, so that we can just sing it.
Here.
And sing. Just sing.
Singing in 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
All my change I've been somewhere the sun's gone, baby, it's all somewhere the plans we made want to. Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. Even harder to picture that you're not here next to me. You say it's too late to make it, but is it too late to try? In our time that you wasted, all of my bridges burned down. I wasted my night, you turned out the light. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in the time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm not a payphone trying to go home on my change I spend on you. Where have the times gone, baby, it's so wrong. Where have the plans we made for you? If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song, I'll be sick.
Oh. Turn your back on tomorrow, 'cause you forgot yesterday. I gave my love to borrow, but you just gave it away. You can't expect me to be fine, but I don't expect you to can. Now the time that you wasted before on the bridges went down.
I wasted my night, you turned out the light. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in this time when we called it love, but even the sunset in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home on my change I spent on you.
When half the time's gone, Betty, it's all around where the plans we made for two.
Happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song, now be sick. Now I'm at a payphone.
Yeah. I'm on payphone, better.
Oh, yeah.
Payphone. Oh yeah. See, wasn't that
We
awesome?
owned that.
We
No
own
way.
that. We did an awesome job.
Okay, well, thanks
Well,
for
we're gonna do another one, another song. Okay? It's called Titanic. Okay. Hey guys, this is a noise that I do all the time because I don't know why, but I'm gonna do it right now.
You're weird.
I know I'm not. Okay, get ready. 5, 4. Okay,
stop.
Okay, I'll stop.
Ready?
Here goes. Titanic karaoke. Instrumental by Davey Jeter featuring Saya.
Sia.
Yeah, whatever her name.
She's pretty.
Let's start together, okay? Okay, here goes. Dun, dun, dun.
Shut it out, but I can't hear a word you say. You're talking loud,
bulletproof, nothing to lose. Far away, far away. Ricochet, you take your aim. Far away, far away. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. High in titanium. Shoot me down, but I won't fall. High in titanium. Not good, I need to sing. Okay, take it. But you who has the father to fall should go down and hunt his own. Raise your voice, sticks and stones may break my bones. I'm talking loud, not saying much. Bulletproof, nothing to lose. Far away, far away. Ricochet, you take your aim. Far away, far away. Shoot me down, but I won't fall. I'm titanium. Shoot me down, but I won't fall. 'Cause I'm titanium. Yeah, Kenny, you know how that, machine gun, they're not the ones to run. Don't run, but don't close your eyes. Shoot me down.